In this video, we will be learning about how to do close short in customer schedule. So, close short, which means closing the remaining or pending quantity of a schedule or order that will not be delivered to the customer, used when the customer does not want the remaining quantity or when production or stock is being discontinued, ensuring that open quantities do not appear as pending. Before getting into the procedure, let me explain the concept in detail. So this slide consists of the customer, that's of Greenwright Cycles Private Limited, and holds your item ID and item description, that's of bicycle, for which you are going to do close short, which consists of the firm quantity 4, and so the price 6,200, which you are going to enter it up. So now let me show you how we are going to proceed it in our ERP. For that, move on to your login page. At your login page, enter your username and password. Click on Sales. At Transaction, go to your Customer Schedule Amendment and Close Short, that's of multi-screen. So this screen consists of your filtration, where your item can be filtered up, or customer which been based upon can be searched up here, whether by header wise or through line wise, and you can create it as well. So when you click on this add icon, it will be moving on to the creation screen. So here it holds up your location ID, unit, and so the type, which holds up your single amendment close short, and that's of your bulk close short. When it's of your single amendment, means making changes or modifications to one specific customer or schedule or sale order at a time. When it's of your bulk close short, it's used to close short multiple orders, schedules, or lines at once in a single operation instead of closing each one manually. So now we'll be placing it at our bulk close short and enter the document prefix. So a document number will be getting generated automatically when you give up save, and then you have your date to be entered up, where you can elect it, and then have your customer ID. And so here the customer which we are being given as Greenwright Cycles, and now the status. Still the document is on process, it's of draft. When it's been forwarded, status will be changed to entry completed, and when being approved by the approver, it will be transformed to closed status or approved status. So after giving all such details, click on the save icon, and so the document number have been changed up. So now let's fetch the item. For that, click on this fetch. And so this is the item for which you are going to do close short. After electing the document, click on OK. And so the item has been fetched up here, and the type has been changed to close short. It consists of two. One, it's modify, that's for your amendment. Another is close short. And then you have a schedule type, that's of firm. And the schedule type consists of 3, which is of firm, tentative, firm, and tentative, where firm is nothing but your confirmed customer delivery plan, and it's final and authorized for execution in production, dispatch, and material planning. When it's of your tentative, it represents a provisional or forecasted plan provided by the customer. It indicates the expected demand, but it's not yet confirmed. Then comes your firm as well as your tentative. When you have a firm quantity, it refers to the confirmed quantity of a product or item that the customer has officially committed to receive on a specific date or within a specific period, which been a part of customer schedule or sales order. Since it's of close short, firm quantity it's not editable, but we have a price which is of editable. And so the price have been varied up here. Then you have your discount percentage, and so a discount amount. Then you have your start date and end date. Firm type has been enabled. Your tentative cannot be reflected up here, which is of non-editable. Then your bucket type will be based upon your start date and end date, which will be getting calculated at your number of buckets, that's of days. It can be of days, weeks, months, or fortnight as well. So bucket type is nothing but it refers to the time interval or period grouping used to organize and manage your schedule quantities and delivery dates in customer schedule. Then when you click on this detail icon, it holds up your item details, old price details, and so your firm details with tentative old details. And it includes your tax detail as well. And then this action consists of a bin. If you do not want furthermore for the line to get proceeded, you can just click on this bin icon so that the line will get deleted or cancelled, and so you can proceed it with the next one. Now click on post. So now in order to move the document for review, you'll be passing it to Kaushik, who's our supervisor. For that, click on OK. Now the document has been forwarded. Now let's log in as our supervisor. And so this is a login page of Kaushik. When you click on this bell icon, go to approval. Here the document has been folded up. When you click on this detail icon, a document will be getting viewed up. So after having a review of your firm quantity and so the price for doing a close chart, you'll be giving approve. So now the document will be getting forwarded to Vimal, who is our manager and so our approver. And now click on OK. So the document will get forwarded to Vimal. Now let's log in as our warehouse manager. This is a login page of our warehouse manager. Now go to this bell icon, click on this approval, and so the document has been waiting over here. To take up the action, click on this detail icon. Document has been viewed up. So this is a document which has been forwarded from our supervisor. So after having a review of this, let's click on approve in order to approve the document. Now click on OK so that the document will be getting approved. Now let's go and check the status. Now let's log in as our user. Now let's search for the document in order to look up the status. After entering a document number, click on search. And so now the status has been changed from draft and entry completed to approved. So this is how you will be doing a close chart. And now let's click on this WF log. This is a workflow log, so which has been a chronological record for maintaining accountability, traceability, and so the transparency of the documents with where it's been flowed through and the persons who have been handled it up, which shows the history of the documents. Now let's look up the status at our customer schedule of this close chart. Click on the sale order. Here you have your customer schedule. And so now let's enter our customer schedule number. After entering a customer schedule number, click on search. So I have given it up but on header wise. Now let's look at the status. Now the status has been changed from approved to closed since it's been close charted for that particular item. So this is how you will be doing a close chart for your customer schedule. Thank you for watching.